Hey gamers, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm starting with 0 coins in my eFootball account. And if you're a fan of eFootball and want to learn how to get free coins without spending any money, you're in the right place. I'll show you how to get eFootball coins for free using rxgem.com. Typically, these coins would cost you $79.99, but with this method, you can get them for free and even in unlimited amounts. Let's get started with 3 simple steps. Step 1. Open your browser and go to rxgem.com. Just type rxgem.com in the address bar and press enter. It's super easy. As the web page loads, take a moment to appreciate the sleek design and user-friendly interface that guides you smoothly to your goal. Feel the excitement build as you prepare to unlock new gaming potential. Step 2. Use the search bar on the site and type eFootball. Click on the eFootball game from the search results. Ensure you select the correct game to move forward. As you browse through the search results, picture yourself gearing up for the ultimate virtual soccer match, ready to experience the thrill of every play. Once you've selected eFootball, get ready for an immersive gaming experience that will keep you engaged. Step 3. Complete a simple verification process, which might vary depending on your location. You'll need to complete one of the offered tasks. This could involve confirming your phone number, verifying your email, or installing an app or a game and using it for a bit until the process is successfully completed. Think of it as a small quest on your path to treasure. Once you've picked an offer, tackle this mini adventure with enthusiasm. Whether it's installing an app and exploring its features or verifying your contact details, each step brings you closer to unlocking endless gaming possibilities. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the satisfaction of completing the setup, opening the door to the exciting world of eFootball and more. And that's it. In just 3 simple steps, you can get unlimited free coins for eFootball from rxgem.com. Now, let's verify and confirm that I received 12,000 free coins. Wait a moment while the coins are added to your account. There we go. I can see the 12,000 coins have arrived. It's incredible to see those coins in my account without spending any money. Remember, this method saves you $79.99, so be sure to share it with your friends. Think of all the in-game items and advantages you can get with these coins. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments how many coins you managed to get and what you're planning to use them for. Your feedback is always appreciated. Happy gaming. See you in the next video. Bye.